Good afternoon and welcome to a full transparency trading session. As you can see, I got in over here on the left. I'm sorry I'm a little tardy to the video. Wasn't even thinking about it. We are at $100. We are at $897 for the day. We're just looking for $1,000 on this account. Okay, that's all we want is $300 off of this trade. $1,000 on this account for the day. Let's go to the other account that we're trading right now. Our target is 2,000 on this one as well. Oh, I should be in two more contracts over here. Okay, but we are at 2,519 so far. We're up $150 right now. Come on, give me 300 on both of these trades. That's all I'm looking for is 300 across both of these trades. So that's the 23 EMA. If I get the 1,000, that would be amazing, but I'm just looking for the 300. Sparta! This account was down. We bought it all the way back to life today. Beautiful, beautiful trading. Come on down, baby. Come on down. Give me $300 so I can go back to the other screen. I'm tempted to take that 200. Let's see. Hey, 200's good. Like, it puts us at 900 for the day. If you don't get the 1,000, it is what it is. We'll take the $200. We don't want to give money back, you know? Definitely don't want to give money back. Let's put us at the 23 EMA. Give it a few seconds. But it's looking weak. It's looking real strong against us. So I'm going to take the $200 over here. If it's not going to give me anything else, it's okay. It is 1:45, very important time, almost at 2 o'clock. You know, 2 o'clock could see us return down, but I don't want to lose this money. So we're going to take the profits. I would love 300. Come on, can you give me 300? Just for like a split second. All I need is for a split second. Definitely don't want to lose any money, but we'll take $300 with no hesitation. I'm queued up here to take the 2 if it comes back down. There's a quick 1. There's a quick 150. Come on, 300 so I can modify. All that is I think 546.70 on SPY, or 546.80, I'm sorry, on SPY. Come on down, baby. Come on down. We're trying to get the money. We're not trying to be greedy. We're just trying to get the money at the 23 EMA. That's all I need you to do is come on down to the 23. Give me that Mike Jordan. Give me that Mike Jordan. Give me that Mike Jordan. So we got $1,000 on this account. We have $3,000 on the other. We have multiple accounts at $1,000 today. Multiple accounts at $3,000 today. We're doing well. This is the fully funded. I'm letting you guys see me do it as I'm doing it. Listen, it's not the hardest thing in the world, right? But you really gotta have an exit plan. You know, you're not always going to get this crazy run up like you did here and, you know, get the crazy run all the way down. I just want $300. That's all I'm asking the market for right now is $300. If it doesn't give me $300, if it gives me 2, I will take 2 happily. Okay? You got to understand your exit strategy. I am counter trend right now. When you're counter trend, you take what you can get and you get the hell out of Dodge. Come on, baby. I'll take at least the 2. We got to come down a little bit. We've been pushing up super hard, but the problem is as soon as we have a little pullback, it gears up for a nice jump up, and I do not want to be in that jump up. I just want this bad boy to pull on back down. You know what? The way that it's going, I'm about to take $50. Like, I'm not about to play with it. The way it's going against me, I'm not going to play with it because we are counter trend. Like I said, we're not going to play with our food. We're going to take the profit and we're going to run. So as soon as I see a 2 on that screen, or a 75, or 175, I'm out of here. You know, we are at the ceiling. We're at the very tip top right now, but this thing could always break out and go on another run. So that's why I want to get out of it. 23 EMA is what we're looking for. The 23 has shifted up above our initial take profit line. So that means that we're getting less out of this trade. Unless we get a hard pullback. This bad boy isn't even sniffing $200 again. That's the problem. We only seen it once. Come on, go sniff it for me. Just give me a little sniffaroo. Come on, baby. Go sniff it for me. Been in this trade too long now. We've been in this trade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 minutes. That's too long for this type of a trade. Too long for counter trend. Yeah, this is too long for counter trend. We got to look to take profit. We don't want to get caught in a spike. That would be the worst thing that could happen here. Is like we pull it down a little bit and then all of a sudden spike out of here, because that's what it's been doing majority of the day. Come on, baby, almost there. We're almost there. 125. Get back, Billy. Get in my belly. Oh, this is chalked. This trade is chalked. We missed our chance at $200 right here. 4 minutes in. Got greedy. We got greedy. We recognize we got greedy. That's on us. That's our bad. That's our bad. We're gonna have to take $100. That puts us at 846, 872. Okay. Maybe we're gonna get the two. Maybe we're gonna get the two. Maybe we're gonna get the two. Okay, we look like we're gonna break down below that 547 area. This is what I'm gonna do. We're going. Okay, we broke below 547. We're getting the $200. I like it. I like it. I like it. Like I said, our goal is $300. Nothing crazy. We're counter trend right now, so we're not trying to get crazy money out of this. We're gonna take profit on this one. So go to position, click the X. We're not gonna play with it because this thing does not want to go our way. There is no weakness in this. Like, there's weakness at the top. There's resistance right here, but there's no real weakness to help us to the downside. This thing's gone. Yeah, it's going. It's going against us. There it is. That's what we expected. That's what we expected. A little pullback, and then it was going against us. Should have took my 125. Don't get greedy, folks. Getting greedy will get you whipped. We literally need 30 cents. That's all we need to reach our goal, but it's just not giving up at all. This thing wants to run through the roof today. I've seen all the reversal patterns again and again and again, and this has been the same trend all day long. We come down a little bit, we go up. We come down a little bit, we go up. We come down a little bit, we go up. You know, I came in on the come down portion, and we are now going up, and we are above 15 cents, which means that we hit 20 cents, we're going to be negative money. Fight it. Fight it off. Fight it off. There's negative money. Told you guys. Got greedy, got burned. When trouble comes around, you must whip it. We got greedy, and it looks like we're going to get burned. Missing money, guys. Missing out on free money on the pullback. We got greedy. We learned our lesson. We're going to learn our lesson one of these days. Yeah, I just want you guys to see this. Like, this is what it's like. You know, you're not always going to be right. And it's not even that I'm not right. It's just that I'm going counter trend. So I'm right. But for how long? Because if the trend decides to pick back up and start going up again, I'm burned. You know, it is what it is. Yeah, going counter trend is very risky in a day like today where the market's going insane to the upside. Let's show you guys this thing on the 5 minute. Look at that. I mean, since 12 o'clock, we have been skyrocketing. And it has refused to come back. I mean, refused to come back. So we're just going to take whatever profit we can get here. You guys have seen positive $200. We're just going to try to get green at this point. Because if this thing goes another 100, 200 bucks or whatever, we'll get stopped out. And that is not what we want. We got resistance here, but the resistance just isn't strong enough. No, they're not selling off. They are pushing this thing. They're pushing this thing to the limits. They are pushing this thing to the limits, gang. We're giving it time. We're going to click that. So we're all the way up there at $400, negative $400 for our thing there. For our stop loss. Definitely don't want to lose $400, especially when we've seen 200. Yeah, that'd be grotesque to lose 400 after seeing 200. Having such a good day. This is such a poor trade. This is what counter trend gets you. This is what counter trend gets you. And this is why you don't go counter trend, gang. We are at the tip top. We're at the resistance. Are we going to break through the resistance now is the question. We are breaking through the resistance. Today is insanity. There it is. We broke through the resistance with no problem whatsoever. Very little resistance on that breakthrough. What's going on, gang? Right here, I ate the loss of the $250. The baby woke up, so I had to go in there. So we did take that L. So we got 100 off of the one trade. We lost 250 on this trade. So we didn't even break even. Sucks because we saw the $200 on the trade and we should have taken it. But that is what counter trend is, guys. When you're counter trend trading, you need to look to get profit as fast as possible. I want to let you see this so that you don't make the same mistake as me. These are my fully funded accounts that I'm making a stupid counter trend trade on. When I've been winning non-stop, I decide to go, well, let's play for a pullback. Saw the pullback too. I got the only pullback of the entire hour that was decent and got $200 and was greedy. That's all that it is. That's all it equates to, guys. But you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for checking out the video, and I'll catch you in the next one.